Once upon a time, in a tiny forest, there lived a clever little ant named Andy. Andy was always curious and loved exploring the world around him. He spent his days foraging for food and learning from the wise elder ants. One bright morning, as Andy was on his way to find food, he noticed a large, juicy apple hanging from a tree branch. It looked so delicious, but the branch was too high for Andy to reach. He thought about giving up, but his determination pushed him to find a way. As he searched for a solution, Andy came across a group of other ants. They were all chatting and laughing, and when they saw the apple, they rushed to climb the tree. However, none of them succeeded in reaching it. Andy thought for a moment and observed the unsuccessful attempts. He noticed that the other ants were competing with each other, pushing and shoving to be the first to reach the apple. This led to chaos, and none of them made any progress. Deciding on a different approach, Andy said, "Hey, everyone, let's work together. If we cooperate, we can achieve great things." The other ants were skeptical, but they were willing to listen to his idea. Andy devised a plan. They would form a chain by holding on to each other's legs, creating a human ladder to reach the apple. The ants agreed, and soon, they began forming the chain, with Andy at the bottom. As each ant climbed on top of the other, they grew closer to the apple. Andy directed them, ensuring everyone's safety. Finally, after much effort, they succeeded in reaching the apple. With their combined efforts, they managed to bring the apple down. They all shared the juicy apple, and the other ants were grateful for Andy's wisdom and leadership. The moral of the story is that cooperation and teamwork can lead to success. Instead of competing against each other, working together can help us achieve great things. Just like the wise little ant, Andy, we should value unity and collaboration, for it is through togetherness that we can accomplish even the most challenging tasks.